Merry Christmas! Today we're making raisin tamales. First, add 1 cup of instant masa flour to a large bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon salt, cinnamon to taste. I started with 1 teaspoon, so added less than 1/8 teaspoon mix of ground cloves and nutmeg. Add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or another neutral oil. Add 3/4 cups of warm water. Add 1 cup of raisins. Mix until combined. It should feel similar to cookie dough. If it's too sticky, add more flour. If it's too dry, add a little more liquid. Taste the masa dough. Feel free to add another tablespoon of sugar. You may also increase spices, salt, and raisins to taste. Lay out 1 corn husk in the palm of your hand. Spread about a 1/3 cup masa onto the corn husk to create a rectangle with the masa. Leave approximately 1 inch of empty space around the spread masa on the top and more on the bottom. The masa will expand as it cooks. Close the husk by folding one side across to the other. Fold the bottom of the husk upward about 2 inches and continue to do this until you have made all the tamales. Steam the tamales for 40 minutes in an Instant Pot or pressure cooker, or for over an hour on the stove. Make sure the tamales are in a standing position with the open end facing upward, or you run the risk of the soft uncooked tamales coming out of the husk while steaming. For the frosting, combine a 1/4 cup powdered sugar with 3 tablespoons of plant-based milk and a dash of cinnamon. Add a drop of vanilla. When the tamales come out clean, they are ready. They are sweet enough, they really don't need frosting. I only added frosting to a couple. These vegan, plant-based tamales were so moist, sweet, and delicious. Enjoy!